Have you ever stared at your phone and felt scared to call? You knew what you wanted to say, but the words just disappeared.
That feeling is more common than you think.
Welcome to Daily English Learning. I am Sophia.
And I am Ethan. Today we are talking about something very real.
Phone calls in English make so many people nervous and anxious.
And the reason is simple. You cannot see the other person.
No facial expressions, no body language, just your voice.
So today we give you the exact words and phrases you need.
By the end of this episode, phone calls will feel much easier.
Sophia, why are phone calls harder than face-to-face conversations?
Because on a call, everything depends on your words alone.
In person, if you forget a word, you can point or gesture.
But on a phone call, you only have your voice to communicate.
And if there is background noise or a bad connection, it gets worse.
Exactly. So people panic and either hang up or stay silent.
But the truth is, phone calls follow a very simple pattern always.
Almost every phone call has 3 parts: opening, middle, and close.
Once you learn those 3 parts, you can handle any call confidently.
So let us go through each part one by one right now.
Let us start with the opening. How do you begin a call?
The very first thing is to greet and introduce yourself clearly.
Do not just say hello and wait for the other person to speak.
Take control from the very beginning. Sound confident right away.
If you are calling someone, say, "Hello, this is Ethan calling."
Or, "Good morning, my name is Sophia and I'm calling about my appointment."
Always say your name and your reason for calling immediately.
This tells the other person exactly who you are and why you called.
It saves time and makes you sound professional and prepared.
And if someone calls you, answer by saying, "Hello, Sophia speaking."
Or, "Good afternoon, this is Ethan. How can I help you today?"
Simple, clear, and confident. That is how every good call starts.
Now the middle part. This is the main body of your call.
This is where most people get confused and lose their confidence.
But if you know a few key phrases, it becomes very manageable.
The first situation, you did not hear or understand something.
Never just say what or huh. That sounds rude and unprofessional.
Instead, say, "I'm sorry, could you please repeat that for me?"
Or, "I apologize, the line is not very clear. Could you speak a little slower?"
These phrases are polite and the other person will always understand.
The second situation, you need a moment to think or check something.
Say, "Could you please hold on for just one moment?"
Or, "Let me just check that for you right away."
These phrases buy you time without making the call feel awkward.
The third situation, you want to confirm what you just heard.
Say, "Just to confirm, you said the meeting is on Friday at 3.
Repeating back what you heard shows you were listening carefully.
It also prevents misunderstandings before they become bigger problems.
The fourth situation, you need to leave a message for someone.
Say, "Could I please leave a message for him?"
My name is Sophia and my number is 0987-654-321.
Could you ask him to call me back when he is available, please?
Short, clear, and complete. The other person has everything they need.
Now, let us do a full example phone call together right now.
Perfect. I'll be the receptionist. You make the call, Sophia.
Great, let's begin.
Good morning, City Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Good morning, this is Sophia calling. I would like to book an appointment, please.
Of course. Which doctor would you like to see?
I would like to see Dr. Johnson if he is available this week.
Let me check for you. Could you hold on for just one moment?
Of course, take your time.
Thank you for waiting. He has an opening on Thursday at 11 in the morning.
I'm sorry, could you repeat the time, please? I didn't catch that.
Yes, of course. Thursday at 11 in the morning.
Thursday at 11. Perfect. I will take that appointment, please.
Could I take your full name and contact number, please?
Yes, my name is Sophia Ahmed, and my number is 098765-321.
Perfect. Your appointment is confirmed for Thursday at 11. Is there anything else?
No, that is everything. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Sophia. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
And scene. Did you notice how natural and smooth that was?
She introduced herself immediately. She asked for repetition politely.
She confirmed the details. She thanked the receptionist at the end.
Every single step was calm, clear, and completely professional.
Now, let's talk about how to end a phone call properly.
Many people don't know how to close a call without it feeling awkward.
They keep saying, okay, 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 and the call never seems to end.
So here are some clean and natural phrases to close any call.
Say, "Thank you so much for your help today. I really appreciate it."
Or, "I think that covers everything I needed. Thank you so much."
Or, "It was great speaking with you. Have a wonderful day."
And then wait for them to respond and say goodbye naturally.
Do not rush the ending. Let it feel warm and complete.
A good ending leaves a great impression on the other person always.
Let's also share a few bonus tips before we wrap up today.
Tip 1. Always prepare before you make an important call.
Write down 2 or 3 key points you want to cover.
This way, you never forget what you called about midway through the call.
Tip 2. Speak a little slower than you normally would in person.
Phone audio is not always perfect, so clarity is very important. Tip 3. Smile while you speak. Yes, even on a phone call.
Smiling actually changes the tone of your voice automatically.
You sound warmer, friendlier, and much more approachable to others.
Tip 4. Find a quiet place before making any important call.
Background noise makes everything harder for both people on the call.
These 4 simple tips will make every phone call noticeably better.
Let us do a quick recap of everything we covered today. First, every phone call has 3 parts: opening, middle, and close.
Second, always introduce yourself and your reason for calling immediately.
Third, use polite phrases when you don't hear or understand something.
Fourth, confirm details by repeating them back to the other person.
Fifth, close the call warmly and clearly without it feeling awkward.
And sixth, prepare, speak slowly, smile, and find a quiet place always.
These 6 things will transform how you handle phone calls in English.
Listeners, the next time your phone rings, do not be afraid.
You have the words, you have the phrases, you are ready now.
Practice these phrases out loud today before you need them.
Record yourself, listen back. You'll be surprised how good you sound.
Drop the word phone in the comments right now.
Share this episode with someone who gets nervous on English calls.
That's all for today's episode of Daily English Learning.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Pick up that phone and speak with confidence.